Di ba kapag may nahuli kayo sa isang lugar, you also ask and you also question the owner of the place? Nasaan na itong storya na to? Iba-ibang story yung ginagawa ninyo eh. Yung tiwala ng tao, binibigay namin sa inyo. And then you come up with stories like this. Who are we protecting? Si Mayo pinoprotektahan ninyo? Why? Ito yung nangyayari sa story niyo today. Iniisip niyo lang yung sarili niyo. Hindi niyo iniisip yung buong Pilipinas na umaasa sa inyo. That we are all here against drugs and yet you're in the middle of it. Sorry pero yan talaga, ito yung story niyo. Kayo mismo nagsasabi niya, no? Hinayaan niyo hulihin namin kayo. Kami na yung nakakahuli sa inyo. Lahat kami dito, lahat ng nakikinig. Why are you doing this?
Merong nahuling pulis at merong attempt na pagtakpan yung pulis. Yun yung beef nung buong kwentong ito.
Alam niyo kung bakit pinipilit yung hot pursuit? Kasi hindi nila ma-justify yung pagpasok nila sa sa
PD lending.
Oh. Kasi wala naman silang search warrant na dala. Tinapay naman, simpleng-simple lang yan. Dina-justify nila yung pagpasok doon sa sa WPL. Kaya pinipilit nila na may hot pursuit to justify their illegal entry into the office of Police Master Sergeant Mayo. Yun lang naman ang kanyan eh. Bulahin nyo na ngayon. Papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na ako eh. Tapos ganyan ang sasabihin nyo sa akin.
Sergeant Mayo was arrested initially
Executive session pa tayo.
at 11:51.
Okay.
Yan sinabi niyo. And then, nag-meeting si General Domingo, Colonel Olonan, Lieutenant Colonel Gonzales, at Lieutenant Colonel Ibanez. Nasa isang meeting room kayo. Tinanong ka kanina, Colonel Olonan, ang sabi mo kasi nga, dadalhin sana si Mayo dun sa Pasig dahil para sa'yo mag-pinpoint ng location. Yan ang sabi mo kanina. Tapos, nakita natin si Mayo was driving a parked car at 11:58. Tapos, ginawa niyo pang, ang report naman ni Lieutenant Colonel Ibanez, itong OIC ng SOU-NCR, that Mayo was the arresting officer sa Pasig nung sa hapon. Kayo ni Ibanez at ni Gonzales, magkaaway ba kayo? Magkaaway ba kayo dati o magkaibigan na kayo ngayon?
Hindi po kami magkaaway, Your Honor. Po, hindi negative po, Your Honor.
Si Ibanez, ang tao mo si Mayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Si Ibanez, si Mayo, for a while he was in Mindanao, di ba? Hiningi mo siya, pinabalik mo siya sa'yo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit tinapon si Mayo sa Mindanao? Because may problema rin siya, may kaso rin siya he was charged for drugs, di ba?
Listed, Your Honor.
Yes. Binalik mo siya para magamit mo. Si Gonzales, ang tao niya, si Juden? Si Francisco? Tao mo, no?
Negative, sir. Hindi ko po yan tao yan, sir. Subject po yan, sir, ni Sir Ibanez, sir.
Subject ni Ibanez. Hindi mo rin to tao.
Negative, sir. Sir, may
So,
sariling
nung-
koplan po yan, sir.
Ha?
May koplan po yan, sir, na ginawa siya na...
So, nung nagkaroon ng raiding doon sa Tondo, ikaw yun nandun, no? Colonel Gonzales, andun ka, di ba?
Sir, I was called by...
Yes or no, andun ka?
Yes, sir. I was
Oh,
called
yun,
by Sir Ibanez, sir.
hindi ko, tinatanong ko kung nandun ka or hindi. But you're not supposed to be there. And then, tinatahi ko yung istorya niyo, ha? Si Ibanez naman, gusto papuntahin si Mayo para maging arresting officer doon sa Pasig. Correct?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh,
Yun po kasi itong totoong nangyari doon.
ano nga?
Yun po kasi yung... Actually, Your Honor, hindi naman talaga siya...
Ano yung totoong nangyari?
Nung time ng arrest doon sa Pasig, Hindi po ako nandoon.
Hindi ka ikaw.
Pre-
Report mo yan eh.
Yes, Your
Andito.
Honor.
Hindi.
Pero ako po,
Wag ka masyadong mabilis mo sumagot. Binabanggil mo yung story eh. Report mo nga yung binabasa ko dito eh. Nilagay mo dito, Mayo was arresting officer in Pasig. Ikaw ba ang OIC, SOU, NCR?
yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Bakit yung sinasabi yun? Kasi nag-hot pursuit eh. Una, may posas, nawala, tinanggal. Tapos pinapunta mo ng Pasig. And then next to, nag-hot pursuit na kayo ulit. Ayun no, kayo Lona no? Kaya nga miniting nyo itong tatlo, si Pinion, si Isik, eto si Olonan. Dumating ito si Lieutenant Pinion alas 4. Sabi arestado si Mayo. Ito si Achuelo dumating alas 6 ng gabi. Yung meeting alas 10:30 ng gabi. Headed by Colonel Olonan.
Your Honor, my order is to arrest Mayo kasi pabalik na siya galing ng Pasig.
Inaresto nyo na nga na 11:51 eh. Pinakawalan nyo eh. Tapos sinabi mo, ikaw nga mismo nagsabi oh. Gusto mo i-rewind natin yung video? Sinabi mo, to bring Mayo to the Pasig operation to pinpoint the location. Ikaw nagsabi niyan. I'm writing down what you said.
Your Honor, the agreement is kasama si Mayo sa...
So may agreement. Andali.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo na, so may agreement na dadalhin si Mayo siya magpipinpoint sa location sa Pasig. So iba na.
Your Honor, yun ang pag-agreean namin during the meeting.
Paano mo dadalhin sa Pasig para magturo si Mayo kung inaresto nyo na?
Your Honor,
Inaresto nyo na nga for a bigger case eh. Gagamitin nyo pa para mag-pinpoint.
Yes, Your Honor.
At ang extension ninyo is mag-hot pursuit. Because hindi nyo minimension na October 9. Bakit meron kayo October 9 na na-arrest ni Mayo? At 2:30 in the morning. May nasa website ng PNP. At ang nagsasabi dito, si Brigadier General Olaguera. This is your statement in your website, the Philippine National Police website. You are saying here, on October 9, 2022, at around 2:30 a.m., operatives of Special Operations Unit 4A under the supervision of Brigadier General Domingo, etc., etc. Ano? Binabanggal niyo yung story. Inabot kayo ng more than almost 24 hours. Yung niluluto ninyo na story, hindi talaga matahi eh. Kasi kayo ng mga polis, alam niyo naman, na kapag kinakabahan na kayo magsalita, kahit sino sa atin, most of the time, totoo yung sinasabi natin. Kaya nga ito lumalabas eh. Hindi nyo magawa ng tama yung storya na gusto nyo lumabas. That is the problem here. Tapos, iba-iba yung mga details coming from this agency.
Congressman
Tignan mo,
Gomez.
Mr. Chair, kasi, una sinabi nila, 1752 Tondo. Tapos sa spot report, 1742 sa Manila. And then, ang tamang address is 1734, Jose Abad Santos, Grace Park. 1734, Jose Abad Santos, Tondo. Tatlong address. Tatlong number. Sa Philippine Tang Yu Foundation. Di ba kapag may nahuli kayo sa isang lugar, you also ask and you also question the owner of the place? Nasaan na itong storya na daw? Sino ang may-ari ng building? Sino may-ari ng lugar? Did it ever come out in your report? Hinanap ba natin? Etong kay Mayo, dalawa yung wealth and personal development lending niya. Etong isa sa Tondo, Grace Park, at isa dito sa Tayuman Tondo. Hinanap ba natin, chinek ba natin pareho? Iba-ibang story yung ginagawa ninyo eh. Yung tiwala ng tao, binibigay namin sa inyo. And then you come up with stories like this. Who are we protecting? Si Mayo pinoprotektahan ninyo? Why? Baka magsabi ng totoo. Baka mas maraming alam si Mayo, kaya pinoprotektahan natin, Mayo, ikaw na lang. Kesa madamay pa yung iba. Ito yung nangyayari sa story niyo today. Ayan, tingnan mo. Meron pa kayo. What's suspicious here, Mr. Chair? Yung address ng Philippine Tang Yu Foundation, talagang hinanap nila yun. 1734 Jose Abad Santos, East Grace Park, Caloocan. And yung isa, 1734 Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. Bakit may ganun? Para pag nagkaroon ng search warrant, mali ka agad yung lugar. Mr. Chair, I think we'll really have to come up with a heavy recommendation against this police personnel. Masakit because sakit. Kasi ako, when I was mayor, I fully supported the Philippine National Police. Ayoko na merong kalokohan. And then here I am in Congress, harap-harapan naglolokohan tayo. Inisip nyo lang yung sarili nyo. Hindi nyo inisip yung buong Pilipinas na umaasa sa inyo. That we are all here against drugs and yet you're in the middle of it. Sorry pero yan talaga, ito yung story nyo. Kayo mismo nagsasabi niya, no? Hinayaan nyo hulihin namin kayo. Kami na yung nakakahuli sa inyo, lahat kami dito, lahat ng nakikinig. Why are you doing this? Mr. Chair, I leave everything to you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Gomez. I understand your frustration that I think most of the members of the committee share, no? Talagang ganon. Ngayon, dati ang kwento pagka may Chinese, drug lord. Ngayon, pagka ang usap-usapan sa kalsada, pag may police, drug lord na rin. Masakit pakinggan yun. I'm sure all of you who are officers, ayun yung naririnig yan. Anyway, obviously, Congressman Gomez and Congressman Acop earlier, meron talagang kwento na gusto nilang panindigan. Yung sinasabi nilang merong hot pursuit. Tama ba yun? Totoo bang may hot pursuit, Colonel Lonan?
Your Honor, it could prejudice to the pending case of Sergeant Mayo. May I request your executive session, Your Honor?
Okay, thank you. General Domingo, meron bang hot pursuit?
We'll better discuss it in executive session, Your Honor.
Okay.
Executive session din.
Oh, executive session. Okay. Ikaw ang pumirma nung affidavit. Ikaw yung arresting officer, di ba? Ikaw ang nagsabi na mag-hot pursuit. Meron wala? Merong hot pursuit. Paninindigan mo yan. Ha? Sige. So, the beef of the whole story, ladies and gentlemen, is the fact that merong nahuling pulis at merong attempt na pagtakpan yung pulis. Yun yung beef nung buong kwentong ito. At doon sa mga nangyaring mga actions taken by the police, maraming question mark sa isipan ng aming mga kasamahan. Kaya nga, nabubuo sa aming isipan na merong pagtatakip na nangyari. For example, di ba, nahuli ng alauna, pero sa report, pilit niyong sinasabi na hindi alauna nahuli. Kundi nahuli ng October 9 ng ng 2 o'clock ng madaling araw. Ang nakakatawa, ginamit sa follow-up operations si Mayo, pumunta sa Pasig ng alas 9 ng gabi. Siya pa yung arresting officer. 3 hours later, alas 2 na madaling araw, hinuli rin siya. At siya ang involved sa isang buy bust. Hinuli si Mayo, alas 2 na madaling araw. Galing sa Pasig, hinuli siya sa Santa Cruz. Kaya po, Major Salmingo, ikaw ang pumirma ng report sa Pasig. Alam mo ba yon?
Yung report na yan, sir, hindi na po.
Meron kang spot report sa Pasig. Did you know that you were the one who signed this report? Progress report.
Progress report, Your Honor.
So, sinabi mo dun na merong naaresto ang SACP. What does SACP mean? Jerome, no, sorry. Merong in connection to the above, blah, blah, 6:20 p.m. October, etc., etc. Arrest of Juden Francisco et al. Ikaw ba si Michael Angelo Salmingo?
Yes, Your Honor.
So ikaw ay nag-submit itong progress report na to.
Yes, sir, to inform the command group that Juden Francisco et al. Was already presented before the court to and inquested, Your Honor.
So you know all the while that there was a follow-up operation na nangyari sa Pasig.
Yung sa report na yan, sir.
Anong sa report na yan? Prior to this report, hindi mo alam na merong follow-up operation.
Meron, Your Honor. Alam ko po, Your Honor, pero I was not there, Your Honor.
But kanina, I was asking you if you know that there was a follow-up operation sa Pasig. Sabi mo, wala, hindi natuloy, hindi
Hindi po ako
kasama.
natuloy sumama, Your Honor. I was supposed to drive Sergeant Mayo towards Pasig, Your Honor.
So who drove Sergeant Mayo there?
Yung driver po na kasama ko, Your Honor.
Sino pa kasama niya?
Yun lang, sir. Silang dalawa lang po.
So silang dalawa lang magpa-follow-up operation sa isang malaking bodega sa Pasig?
No, Your Honor, may mga nauna na pong SOU NCR personnel doon.
Would you know? Would you be able to identify sino? Sino yung nauna?
The team
Na
of
SOE?
Lieutenant Hornadal, Your Honor.
So sila yung nauna doon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Dito eh.
So, in your opinion, merong hot pursuit?
Your Honor, after the operation in Pasay, supposed operation in Pasay na hindi na po natuloy because of the instruction to return Mayo to WPD Lending, pagdating ko po sa WPD Lending, I turned over the vehicle and the person of Sergeant Mayo to Colonel Ronan. I reported at the second floor where he is standing and said na, sir, andyan na po si Master Sergeant Mayo sa baba.
Sinoli mo siya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong oras mo siya sinoli?
Around 11:18, yung pag-arrive namin, Your Honor.
11:18, he was at WPD Lending.
Yes, sir, from Pasay
You
City.
see? Tapos sinabi, ang report na pinirma mo yung affidavit, alas 2 na madaling araw, may hot pursuit. Alas 11 sinoli niya sa WPD.
Mr. Chair, alam niyo kung bakit pinipilit yung hot pursuit? Kasi hindi nila ma-justify yung pagpasok nila sa sa ano yun?
WPD Lending.
Oh. Kasi wala naman silang search warrant na dala. Tinapay naman, simpleng-simple lang yan. Dina-justify nila yung pagpasok doon sa sa WPL. Kaya pinipilit nila na may hot pursuit to justify their illegal entry into the office of Police Master Sergeant Mayo. Yun lang naman ang kanya eh. Bulahin nyo na ngayon. Papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na ako eh. Tapos ganyan ang sasabihin nyo sa akin.
Okay?
And Police Colonel Ibanez, nakita ko yung pagtuturo mo doon sa constituent ko. Kaya huwag mong gawin yun.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Kasi kung magsalita siya, kasama ka sa masasabit. No? To tell you frankly. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Nakop. Earlier, okay,
Inquiry lang, Mr. Chair. Is it normal for a companion to teach a research person while he's being questioned?
sorry.
Is it a normal practice, Mr. Chair, na yung companion ng research person tinuturuan niya?
Well, hindi.
This is the case of Colonel Ibanez. Tinuturuan niya nandun sa likod niya. Kunyari nakatalikod pero nagsalita na ganyan. Ano?
Kita ko naman yun.
Na-notice ni Congressman Akop observed that si Colonel Ibanez is coaching constituent niya.
Yes.
He was already warned not to do it again. So, Congressman Gomez, Congressman Akop, and the rest of the members who are in the committee, in the online, no? Earlier there was a request for a executive session. Since we practically covered a lot in the hearing today, so may I know kung sino ang gusto mag-executive session? Ikaw, Captain Piñon, General Domingo, kayong lahat dyan. Kasama ba kayo sa executive session o hindi?
No, Your Honor.
So, you will stick with the what they call this, the story. Sige. Okay, si
Mr. Chair?
Narinig ko na, sir. Mahaba na yung paliwanagan, sir. And I believe I can withdraw my request for an executive session, Mr. Chair, with regards to this case, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Okay, thank you, DG Wilkins. Since there will be maybe another another hearing on this subject, so we will temporarily suspend this hearing to give way to an executive session as requested. And the motion was moved by Congressman Gomez, duly seconded, and hearing no objection from our colleagues in the online. So we now suspend this hearing